Now, the federal court has ruled the visa application of the Tamil family fighting for freedom was invalid, but they were not given procedural fairness. Patrick Murrell's at the federal court in Melbourne. Patrick, what does this mean for the family?
Well, Annalise, this could be described as a partial victory for the family, and while it is a significant step in the legal process, it's not quite the end. The Supreme Court Justice, Federal Court Justice Mashinsky today said that the family's first point of contention, that 2-year-old Tharunika, the Home Affairs Minister Peter Dutton lifted the bar with regards to her protection visa application, was not valid, but the second point of contention, that they were not given procedural fairness, was valid. So as a result of this, the injunction order keeping the family in Australia on Christmas Island has been extended for at least 7 days, while the two parties, lawyers for 2-year-old Tharunika and lawyers for the Department of Home Affairs and the Department of Immigration, agree on how to proceed from here. If they can't come to an agreement on how to proceed, then the Federal Court Justice will make a final decision. This could be numerous things. It could be that the minister exercises ministerial discretion and grants the family that visa, or the department could simply review the application once again and go with a final decision there. Now, with regards to the reasoning for this decision from the Federal Court, they found that the Home Affairs Minister Peter Dutton did not lift the bar, did not make it more difficult for 2-year-old Tharunika to apply for that protection visa, but that because the Immigration Minister Coleman did consider lifting the bar, that they were not given a procedural fairness there. Now, Priya and Nades are two Tamils from Sri Lanka who came to Australia in 2014. Since then, they'd been living in this small Queensland town of Biloela. They were taken to Christmas Island in 2019, last year, after 3 family members, Priya, Nades and the youngest daughter, Kopika, had their applications all denied. They are remaining, though, on Christmas Island while that final application, the visa for 2-year-old Tharunika, is considered. So the lawyers will have 7 days to figure out where to go from here and to come to an agreement. If not, in 14 days, we'll have a final decision on whether the family remains here or is sent back to Sri Lanka from the Justice of the High Court. Federal Court.
Patrick Murrell.